Hello students, standard 6th. Today, as you know that chapter 10, mensuration is going on. So today we are going to start the exercise 10.3. In the last session, we obtained the formulas of area for a rectangle and area of a square. So we know that area of a rectangle is length multiplied by breadth, and area of a square is side multiplied by side, or you can say length multiplied by length. So now today we are going to start the exercise 10.3. Question number 1. Find the areas of the rectangles whose sides are. Now some of the sides are given. First one, it is given 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So we can say length L is 3 centimeter and breadth B is 4 centimeter. So now we have to find the area. So now area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. That is 3 multiplied by 4. That is 3 fours are 12 centimeter square. Unit is important. Centimeter square. The second is given 12 meter and 21 meter. So length 12 meter and breadth B is 21 meter. So now area of rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. So 12 multiplied by 21. So 252 meters square. Here the length and breadth was in centimeters, so you have to write down the unit of area centimeter square. But here both are in the meter, so we have to write down in meter square. Third one, 2 kilometer and 3 kilometer. Here you can write down centimeter square, or you can write down square centimeter also. Here also, or you can write down square meter, because in the book it is given square meter and square centimeter. But you can write down centimeter square and meter square also, whatever you remember. Now length L is 2 kilometer, breadth B is 3 kilometer. So now area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. 2 kilometer multiplied by 3 kilometer, that is 2 3s are 6 square kilometer. The word square must be there with kilometer or meter. Last one is length L is 2 meter and breadth B is 70 centimeter. Now here if you don't notice properly, then there is chance to make mistake, because the length is given in meter but the breadth is given in centimeter. So now both must be in the same unit. So here we will convert 2 meter means 2 multiplied by 100, that is 200 centimeter. So the length we have to take as 200 centimeter, not the 2 meter. Now simple. Therefore, area of rectangle, length multiplied by breadth. So 200 multiplied by 70. 7 2s are 14, 1, 2, 3, 3. 14,000 centimeter square. So here it is very important, when the length and breadth both are not given in the same unit. If it is same unit, not a problem, and therefore whenever you solve these problems, must remember to check the units. That length and breadth must be in the same unit. One is meter, one is centimeter, then we have to make them same units. But here you can see that in those three, it was the same. But in the last one, we have to change the meter to the centimeter, like that. Now the second question. Find the areas of the squares whose sides are. So now the square is there and the side is given. First one. Side is equal to 10 centimeter. So now area of square is side multiplied by side. So 10 centimeter multiplied by 10 centimeter. 10 tens are 100. So 100 square centimeter. So the area of the square is length multiplied by length or side multiplied by side. B. 14 centimeter. So side is equal to 14 centimeter. So now area of square is equal to side multiplied by side, that is 14 multiplied by 14 is 196 centimeter square or square centimeter. Third one is side is equal to 5 meter. So now area of square is side multiplied by side, and that is 5 meter multiplied by 5. 5 5 is 25 square meter. So areas are very, very simple. So now the question 3, in which the 3 sets are given and which one has the largest area and which one has the smallest area, that I am giving you for homework because it is same. Very simple, we have to find the areas of all the 3 sets and then decide whose area is the largest and whose area is the smallest. So now let's do the question number 4. The area of a rectangular garden is 50 meter long is 300 square meter. Find the width of the garden. Find the width of the garden. Width means the same as the breadth. So now length L is given 50 meter and area is given 300 square meter. So now we have to find the breadth of the width. So width of a rectangle is equal to area divided by length. So we have to divide the area by the length, that is 300 square meter upon 50 meter. 5 6 are 30. So 6 meter. Therefore, the width of the garden is 6 meter. So when the area is given and either the length or breadth is not given, then we have to divide that length or breadth by the area by that one. Means if it is width to find, area divided by length. If length is to be find, area divided by breadth. And by this way, the reverse thing is that here length and breadth were given and area we find. But in this question, what did we do? Area and length was given and we find the breadth or the width of this. Now the fifth question. In fifth question, what is given? What is the cost of tilling a rectangular plot of land 500 meter long and 200 meter wide. At the rate of rupees 8 per 100 square meter. So here the length and breadth of the rectangular plot is given. So length is 500 meter and the breadth or the width, that is given as 200 meter. So to find the cost, first we have to find the area. So area of land which is in the rectangular form, so it will be length multiplied by breadth, that is 500 multiplied by 200, so 5 2s are 10, so 1,10,000 1 lakh meter square or square meter. So now cost of tilling 100 square meter is equal to rupees 8. It means that the cost of tilling 1 lakh square meter will be 8 multiplied by 1 lakh divided by 100. So that is rupees 8,000. So the cost will be rupees 8,000. Let's take question number 6. A tabletop measures 2 meter by 1 meter 50 centimeter. what is area in square meters? What is area in square meters? Now, here for tabletop, length is given how much? 2 meter. And the breadth is given in meter and centimeter both. 1 meter 50 centimeter. We know how to convert it into meter using the decimal. That is 1.50 meter. So now both of them have the same unit, meter. So now we can put the formula. Area of tabletop is equal to length multiplied by breadth. That is 2 meter multiplied by 1.5 meter. 0 you write down or not, it's not necessary. Now 2 meter multiplied by 1.5. So 1.5 multiplied 2s are 10, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3, 3.0 means 3. So the answer is 3 meters square or 3 square meters. So whenever the length or breadth is given in meter and centimeter, then by using the decimal we can convert it into the meter, like 1 meter and 50 centimeter will be 1.50 meters. So then we find the area is length multiplied by breadth, and so your answer is 3 square meters. So here we are going to finish the today's session, and here question number 7 is very simple like that. So question number 7 also I am giving you as the homework. And everything will be followed in the PDF, and if any confusion there is a comment section. Thank you very much.